Hello, Long Yesa. We in Western Edmonton Mall, big mall in Canada. The parking lot is about 20,000 parking lot in this casino. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
No, just kidding.
Tip tip. In this mall, they have casino, they have bingo, they have
What about
a
mini
lot of
golf?
things, mini golf. And we're here, they even have dental. And I'm cold, I'm kind of looking for something to wear outside. They have tattoo gears. So let's check out the mall. Just to walk around the mall is an hour and a half. If you just walk around, not shopping. Here are my family. Here's the mall name. Let's take a look in here.
Upstairs. It looks nice upstairs.
So we're gonna go upstairs and look down. It's more nicer.
Upstairs is like
Mini golf for the little kids to play. I came from there.
yeah. Hi guys, so this is what's
Thank you for introduction, my beautiful, lovely niece. Who wanna go and do this? Lenses. Có tên Hoàng mẹ à?
Mẹ con kêu là cái trang đi.
Bút pháo tắt ăn chìa bò.
Có tên bút phàm hàng chữ cute, it's so cute. You go, it's okay, you're so cute. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs so we can look down at the palace. Oh, so pretty. Look how pretty the mall is. Có nhiều bức chữ gì á rồi nè. Cái này mình mua tỏi rồi, cái này so beautiful. You look like a European. Let's go down closer to look. This is the mini golf that we say that it look better when you record it upstairs. For kid, adult, anybody can golf. They also adult. Oh, he missed it. And okay, let's keep going on the other side. Nếu chiếu này bố mình chữ với chắc bố mà chữ này chiếu vai mình chữ ta. You're there over there. Yeah, it's beautiful. You're there over there. Oh, là hấm quần mình đồng nhất à. Oh, they have. You actually can pay how much to get in? This is the boat. This is the skyscraper. The boat is big, and they have a lot of where you can eat. I want to show you guys the little girl arriving. So you look at it, the girl is coming right there. She's in the ducky duck. I forgot how much to buy on this. Not sure if they know how to dry or not. Seems like they have a hard time paddling. It's not even little girl, it's mommy and daughter using the lake. Lots of food hungry, but hot food endless flavor. So you there, but here take some different bread. When you stand over here, it's hot. When you go to the other side, lots of AC. Oh, hello, sir. And then over here, they have show. People can sit down right there and watch the show. Okay. They're so cute. They're like holding hands. Sister or best friend walking. The movie theater is also nice too. There's a spot check. Okay.
The expensive dessert I sent you last time.
That one right there? We're here in the middle? Oh, okay, we're gonna try. We have to try one right now. We come back so quick. Okay, I'm a foodie, so I'm gonna go and try the dessert. Oh, this stuff. We have this in California. What is this? Cheese, chocolate, strawberry.
Salted caramel, mango. Oh, I done. Oh, okay.
Bây giờ năm. Hôm nay nó trên xíu.
Nice. Dessert.
Dessert nào.
So it's shaped as a fruit, and then there's like cream, mousse inside. I think.
Cream inside. This is grape.
No, that was pistachio with cherry filling.
Pistachio.
It's ice cream. Hung cake day.
They have mango. Oh. Oh, you can order over here yourself. Okay. Let me order. So my niece bought us coconut and mango. We're going to try it now to see how it tastes like. This is coconut. It's so cute. America. Thank you. Wow. It's good.
Tastes like coconut.
Oh yeah.
Better be good. It was $16.
Two of this is $40.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, this one is hot. Okay, this is mango. I actually like this one better. This one sour than mango. It seems like this is my favorite part. I keep recording this, but let's go to the water park where they have water slide, and then I think they also have roller coaster in here. If you guys live in Canada and you guys see my video, you let me know. They have roller coaster in here. Wow, the water park is huge. See water slide over there, and then waterway, and then they'll have more water slide all the way up there high. Lots of water slide. I am upstairs, looking down. This is an elevator from myself. Dolphin. It's all the way in there. I have to go around, otherwise you won't see. Oh, they have happy hour and drinks. That what I want. They have diamonds. I have to follow my family. I don't know where they're going, but I just have to go with them. Mày về có còn nhiều miếng tất xíu lên. Rồi. Is that for fish? Look for fish. How see? Look at nothing My sister-in-law wants to buy a purse and it's 5% tax over here. 5% tax. She said she want to buy purse today, and I told her go for oh, they have Coach, and then they have Tiffany. Gucci, what movie was? No, hello, go back. Michael Kors, Rolex, Louis Vuitton.
Michael Kors.
Yeah, my Fiona. Oh, my sister-in-law said she wanna go to this store. Go.
Everyone here,
Or she wanna go in every single one, she said.
So the food court is down here.
Oh, the food court down
Look,
here.
right here, TNT's right here.
Oh, they have TNT in the mall too, see? You guys see my TNT video on YouTube? Oh, look, it's TNT. They can't keep up with us, so we have to slow down, okay? My brother scared to pass over here because of the good brand. My brother is really scared that the wife's gonna go here. But we're gonna go to Onewi, so my brother no worry. This man is so cute. Like a king. I'm gonna eat like a queen. How come Rolex have Vietnam lady working in Rolex? Is it me or is it Vietnam? Some famous people, a lot of people watching them. They hat company. They do hat. That's that company right there.
It's just the world's largest slot machine. It's world's largest slot machine.
Oh, that's a world largest. Oh, that's for gambling only. This is, I thought it's a hat company, but it's not. It's for world largest company where you can play game, gamble. Look at the cameraman. That's a real cameraman. Unlike me using my cell phone. Okay. Oh, they see bathroom. They need to go bathroom. I don't know why my sister-in-law so excited. Where'd she go? Here we go. My sister-in-law sees Starbucks, ISN. Oh, she's beautiful. Sophia. Oh, did you go back? Wow, here we all have a nice chicken. Broth. How you call this? Honky? Hanky. We are in Hanky, Marshall, Starbucks. We didn't go around. Oh, they even ice skate in here too. But they don't pay honky. We in Canada, but they have USA flag. This is so sweet. That's what we like. When you come to another country and you see your home country flag, you're so happy and you give them so much respect. Oh, Marshall. They have Marshall. Everybody have to go to the lady rooms. That's what they're looking for, lady room. All the way down there. Marshall. One pair, repair. Okay. It's good to, this is the bathroom where you change the baby diapers. Look, they even have sink. This is nice. The bathroom like this is good for you. Don't tell me they're only tired. They're sitting there. Everybody is so in love with their phone, including me holding my phone and record them. Sitting here, holding phone. I'm gonna check out Noriko and Sophia. This is the only store that I probably can afford to buy one t-shirt. So I'm gonna take a look. Oh no, I don't have $49. This is cute, but I don't have $29 either. How long? Oh, long tee. Oh, those are cute, yeah. But I like V-necks. I'm into V-necks, like V-necks. Oh, they're so pretty. $79. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. The short is pretty. Sale $19. A t-shirt for $19? Oh no, I don't know. You are in Canada some price. Sale, $29. Yeah. Even $29 I don't have. $19 shop. Costco is cheap, but they don't take my credit card. Wow, the Uniqlo in here is big. Big Uniqlo. Oh, นวัดตลาดโคนี่โอ้นำตลาด$24.59. $29. Do they have anything like $5? Oh, this is woman or man? Oh, woman, feeding room. They have children too? I did not know you read they have children. That's nice. It's good that they have children clothes. Oh, this side is men now. Okay, I go back one man to see if they have $5 t-shirt or $5 something. If not, and I just gonna walk out empty hands. Oh, look, they have $4 for a sock. $4 is sock. $24.99. $29.99. They all got it nicely. They put everything nicely. Lululemon. This t-shirt are unisex. Men and women can wear. $24. Oh, so later on go have $29. Okay, it's okay. Even this is $34. I thought I could come inside here and afford buying something, but actually, no, I don't. I cannot afford anything. Okay, I'm gonna step outside now. So if I cannot afford a Eureka, I definitely cannot afford Java. So I'm not gonna go in Java. And I cannot afford that one. So watching see? So I will not go there. Ooh, casino over there. Over there is casino. I cannot afford casino either, so I won't go there. Jack and Joan, I don't know what's that, and I know that I cannot afford that either. Not face. Yeah, I can do not face either. This little cute right here. Cute. Sephora. Here are some makeup in Sephora. Look at this. Oh, this beautiful color put on our face. So hopefully I can find me a husband. I'm still looking for a man. I bought your daughter a few perfume in here.
Yeah, so stinky, man. I couldn't breathe. I kept coughing all day.
I told her don't put it until she goes to school. Just put it on her hand. And I forgot mine.
Her door, and
Oh.
then she spray.
And I forgot mine at home.
Don't put please don't put some perfumes around me at least. I'm very allergic.
Oh, mine smell like cherry. Cherry. Right now that the eyebrow, they don't have it with the my old style eyebrow. They don't have it. This one is actually really big store. The one that me and your daughter went, it was not this big.
Not big.
No. Even the hair place is big to do hair. I would love this color. I like tan. I like tan color. But how much is it? No. Oh, Natasha. The brand is Natasha. Perfume. I bought my niece some perfume. And it smells so good. Oh, they have a lot more perfume in here than the other store. Than the one that we went to. Look at this. So nice. Oh, this spraying so beautifully. Let me look for my perfume so I can spray it. I forgot my perfume at home. And it smells so good up in here. Skincare. So nice. Okay, I'm gonna look for some stuff. So this is the brand that I had in here. And I bought candy. And I bought lychee. Where's lychee at? Oh, I don't see lychee, but I got lychees. So I find the one that I bought is this one right here also. So I mix the two together. I make two perfume together. It smells so good.
They went down already?
I'm not sure where to go, but I will go this way. I'm sure they always went this way. I was saying like, because I cannot afford Eureka, I will not go to Lululemon early. Are they even real gold? Apple store. They even have bingo in here.
Yeah.
Second cup.
Oh, we go to the shop more.
Okay. My sister want to go sometime. Jewelry design. Shopper Drug Mart. I don't know what you guys buy in here, but they have. Oh, this is expensive.
No, it's oh wait. Is that what I thought was the
This is like a makeup or what? Oh, perfume.
Oh, I see. Get it. This is. I didn't realize I thought it was like a Walgreens.
Yeah, it's just it's
Makeup.
makeup.
Pharmacy back there.
They have pharmacy back there. Solutions.
I didn't think I was gonna wear it, and then I.
I don't want to wear. I just gonna wear glasses to make me easy. Oh, they have the expensive perfume on that other side and makeup. Then on this side they have Lawrence, L'Oreal, Maybelline. Other stuff. Shower stuff. Oh, we went to the wrong side. The store actually on the other side.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna.
In case you guys sick and don't feel well, some of the stuff will make you feel better. Diarrhea. Right there to the right. Right here. Just buy a small one.
Yeah. See, I had a small. I have one of this, and then I left it.
Yeah, you could just buy one.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that's
How many
enough.
ounces of this?
That will do.
No, it's a fight. But who wanted them? But anyway, that's fine.
You could pay the cashier up there.
Oh, I think.
And then my hair shampoos. I use hair and shoulder. Yes, I do. I don't even bring a hairbrush because my hair is so ugly. No matter what I do, it's ugly. Unless I pay $100 and only put it for a couple hours. So forget it. Okay, coming out from the... Yeah. Okay, we keep going. Oh, this side is quiet. Huh? Candy. Pretty quiet this side. I wish somebody like me some ice cream. Okay, let's see what's there in here. Oh, performance. No, we're not going downstairs yet. We still go around that way and come back. Come on, girl. Because today is an exercise day. We really going to exercise. Remember, it's 1.5 hour walk. Oh, it's quiet over here too. Very, very quiet this side. Yeah, it's so pretty. It's pretty, pretty.
Pretty dress.
Yeah, pretty dress, right? So colorful. No shoe inside.
Oh, that's weird.
Or drink or food. Some jewelry. If you got like jewelry. More dress. Someone getting married. Wedding area. I don't mind to marry you. This is entertainment. We go in there, we'll put just real good for me too. No outside food or beverage. Good.
Oh,
Or you can pay full with it's a restaurant, spot bar. You can order your food and come here eat. So we in mall dress again, and then they like you to move the shoe because you know you're trying the dress, and if you want high heel, you bring your own high heel. Oh, they might have magnet in here. Souvenir. It's a souvenir.
Yeah.
More food down here, and over there, 444. We have more things, but we're not gonna go back that way. I love how every dressing store, you must take out your dress. I mean your shoe, tuck up your shoe. And that is very good that, you know, this section you open for this type of business. So when you're looking for dress, you just only go to one spot and you got it. You don't have to walk about 1 hour and have to look for dress. This is like for wedding, prom, and other stuff. I really want to go to the food court, so my sister is going to take me to the food court and let's see how delicious the food is. So basically I am in second floor still, and I have not yet go downstairs yet. If you like to take picture, this is a good area to take picture for the people who like to take picture. What is that?
Paw Patrol.
What's that supposed to mean?
That's a real cartoon show for the kids.
Oh, for the kids. They have a lot of show. And then you need bed, you come here buy, and then I think they deliver to you. I think. I'm not sure. I thought it's for back to school, but it's not. You have jewelry on the left, you have jewelry on the right. And then you have Toyota, and then over here, big mall like this is good for old people come and exercise, walk around, because it's like it's more safe. You know, they don't get kidnapped, they don't get beat up like this two couple right here, and then you don't get lost. And if you got tired, you can go around. You could call your family to come and get you. footwear. And it's peaceful on this side. You can sit here and relax. Right? It's peaceful in this side, right? My sister had no idea how peaceful this is. Because she never go anywhere. She don't know what peace is. And then the bathroom is going to be less dirty over here because no one on this side. And then we went to the inn. Oh my goodness. They have dealerships. Okay, we in already, but I just want to tell you guys, you have to go to dealership right here. In the mall. Toyota dealership in the mall. DWS is my son name actually. My son is DWS. They have game right here. They have lenses. Toyota. Okay, you could do your loan. Well, here I haven't gone into DWS for a long time, but anyway, you go over there is restaurant, I guess, and Toyota service, and they buy stuff from put in your car, and then you have like oil, pot, and it's other stuff. And then you see the car inside, behind the Toyota service, you see some of those cars. Those are cars for sale, that's not parking lot. I never knew that the mall had car dealerships until today. I want this car. It's a beautiful truck. I don't know how to drive it, but I want it just to say that I have it. Only you guys see a lot of women clothes. Now you guys probably see some gentleman clothes. For the gentlemen.
There's still upstairs.
I told you you're moving too fast. Okay, so we're gonna head to the food. We're not gonna go up. We're gonna shop anyway. Come on, sis. That's not the food section. That is just to line up for them to take picture. This is to line up to take picture only. So down here is the Jewish section. I'm in first floor now. Because my sister want to come down. I don't know for what. So you can look at the jewelry. We don't have AC at home, so this is nice. This is good for the people who don't have the food section over here. Oh, okay, just 1 second. Oh yeah, food court right there. But let me circle about here. I'm gonna take a picture with this 3 men. I don't know the history of this though. I do not know the history of this. What it stands for. They're making oil. They're making oil. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Food court, let's go. You feel like some ice cream? Let's go see what they have first before we do ice cream. We do ice cream later. My sister said they got everything. I don't know what is everything. They ain't got the side. It's not everything. McDonald's so small in here. Okay, let's move. a while like this. Yeah, I want some chicken. Yeah, I want.
You want to watch them?
They don't have church chicken, sis. No, they do not have church chicken. Maybe KFC better. Subway, you eat fast. Excuse me, sorry. KFC. Orange juice. Orange barbecue chicken. No. Opa. May go well. Inside the food court, if you exit, they have miracles. Oh, and roller coaster. Okay, so if you turn around, still food court right here. It's not the end. Food court over here. And now we're gonna go to a merry-go-round and oh, look at that. Roller coaster. Your daughter is not gonna leave me. I like it where they have baby penguins. This one's closed. You have to stop, okay? The choo-choo train actually is real, okay? Bye. See the choo-choo train actually is real. There you guys see choo-choo train. This is the biggest mall I ever been in my entire life. That's amazing. Sorry is when you hit each other. Sorry is when you hit each other. They get ready to hit one another. This one for adult. The other one, sorry, is for the younger teen. This one for teen. The other one for teen. the mall to not in. Dollar Mart is everywhere. They know as Dollar Mart. Dollar Mart. You guys see on my other video we have Dollar Mart. They have ice cream. They have the Galaxy. Potato. Oh. Pepper. Travel. Potato, side is more for the adult, the other side is more for the children. How can I be so busy in here? What time? Oh, he's good. He must do this before. Sell ticket right here. You pay too much.
Who sabe? Inside have more. Inside have more, but there you can exit over there. Oh, they're building more still. They're building more. So inside a lot of going on inside. Wow, this is amazing. This is unbelievable. This mall, I am speechless. Hello. So amazing. This is so good. Now this one, whoever don't do up, I don't know. I will freaking do up. I will be doing up so badly. So badly. I'm sorry. So sorry.
Wow. Yeah, look at this. No, 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 no. Choo-choo train coming. No, 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 no. Okay. It's a sugar time, but we're gonna go out. We're gonna go out because I'm tired. Wow, Gucci, perfumes, perfumes. Oh, this is Japanese. Oh, Korean. Oh, look at them. The heck? Okay, I'm gonna step outside. See where we go. Sugar, sugar, they like sugar, they like sugar. See what kind of sugar? What kind of sugar you guys want? You guys want to bring some of this?
No, because we get this at home too.
Yeah, don't bring anything that we can buy at home.
But I walk in here and see my work and bring it inside.
Oh, I have payment and what are we supposed to do? I bought it.
From there?
I bought it from Korean. My son girlfriend gave me. Hello, we gotta go next door. Face mask. Korean face mask. Okay. They drive fast in here. Zoom, zoom. Do not do objects. Yeah, the drive is downstairs. It's super fast. So if you're gonna get something, I got face mask already at home.
This is good.
That my son girlfriend got it from Korea.
Matanya.
I bring it one pack so that we can do our face when we get back. Oh, my thought good. Okay, anyway, I have no idea. Maybe I just move around. I don't do none of this. Skincare. I say I don't do skincare. No call yet. They are downstairs. That's where they drive. But then they put here no, do not do any object. Okay. But I'm waiting for the car to drive by. Live for the ride, and I go. Man, I still have to record. They told me don't record no more. Excuse them.
Excuse you.
Excuse my nephew and my sister. Tell me don't record. YouTube not watching anyway. No one watching, but I am. You guys see one view? That's my view. I watch my own video. Yep. Because I want to see how badly I record or how goodly I record. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the bottom. Somebody is saying honk, 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 honky. Honk, honk, honky. See? They put the net so that it won't hit us. We have net. Second floor doesn't, first floor doesn't have, second floor don't have net. But the first floor have net. Special.
Is that casino?
We just told them come meet us.
Let's go down there.
We just told them come meet us.
Yeah, we'll be done at the casino.
Okay, go anywhere. Go anywhere. I go. You go, I go, we go.
Told them meet us at the front of the casino.
All these people talk about casino. That's not casino. That's Dollar Mama. That's Dollar Mama. That's a casino na Dollar Mama.
We're not the same upstairs.
Yeah. This is where you get me.
Upstairs to go. Yeah, we might as well get them then. I just remember May said the only way to go up is upstairs. This is the other food court though.
Oh, that's cool.
No, yeah, I see a casino upstairs to go this way. Is this one though? Is this floor but then go upstairs? I said, Jamie, why she floor rồi quản đi casino đi.
I remember they said only entrance is upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs.
They call me.
Go up.
Oh no, I just realized that. I was saying, what mean more about you? What's the
Dramatic.
I'm on your boat on it.
Oh no, tagang way in the middle. Your boat, you have middle. Okay, we go to boat. Tell them to wait for us in boat.
The boat side is not where the casino, right? That's where it's at.
The mall is full of a lot of people walking.
Yeah, it's up here.
Bọn mình boat, bọn mình was cái xếp nóยังkéo tồn này.
William upstairs. There's over hockey.
Honky upstairs by the yeah.
Yeah, we go. They're all like back on the other side. Yeah, they can just wait for us up here.
Nike. Yeah, that's the where's the casino right there. Yeah. Who wants some boba? Who wants some boba? Oh, they have a waffle too. Look, you don't even have to go inside the casino to gamble. They start gamble outside here, outside the mall, where people wear honky. And this, some people sit inside here to watch. So this is where the casino at. We're gonna go up here. They also have some food right here. And the restaurants. We go up, it's a casino. So colorful. Don't you love the color? You want barbecue? All you can eat in here? All you can eat?
Yeah.
You guys wanna go eat now? I'm not hungry yet. Hey, what time you guys wanna go eat? Casino. Oh no, not casino. Mẹ bữa nhà come and barbecue. All you can eat. Em đã sao? Okay.
Well, I don't know. What are we doing?
Inside the bar inside the casino. $30 ball. The Alamo for kids to buy. Okay, we're going this way. We came from this way. We basically are going home. On our way back to the car. Thank you so much for watching. We didn't go everywhere because we got tired. So this is the way we come from. This is the way we going back. Thank you. Bye bye.